Alright guys, very simple lang siya, but I use very bright lipstick because I didn't use any eyeshadow. Mascara lang, and then a little bit highlights and blush, bronze I mean. So yeah, very freshing look lang, simple. But I got the red lips without any eyeshadow, so okay na yung balance, no? Kasi pag mag-eyeshadow pa tayo and then we're just gonna go to the Filipino shop, then we mag-lunch. Dalhin ko kayo guys, I will try to vlog very simple sa may Muscat ba yun? Rockdale, sa may Rockdale kami pupunta for today. And my top is from Ali, no, not Ali, from Valley Girl. My belt, my mango, parang ano siya guys, very simple pants na very light, it's very comfortable. So probably ang gagamitin natin bag, oh, hindi pa tayo nagsuklay guys, but I haven't been really vlog lately, but this is the outcome after a few days. Yung hair natin, it's got more lightened. Ayan. Teka lang. Hindi pa tayo nagsuklay kasi yung suklay ko nandun sa ano. But it's really got more lightened. Like, alam mo guys, babalik ako dun kasi ko to, we're going to achieve the color that I like. Yung ash, very light ash blonde. No, and yeah, let's go. I'm gonna use my Ellipse PM bag for today. Ilipat natin yung laman ng ating sling. Then, so yeah, and I'm just gonna wear very light coat. My all-time favorite perfume. Ay, mamaya tayo mag-perfume kasi si Daddy Scott very sensitive sa mga pabango ba. Gonna get my wallet. But gamitin ko yung isang lipi dito. Yung may pagka-maroon-maroon lang ba. Or maybe this one. MAC. Ito na lang si L'Oreal. And sanitizer. And that's it. So I'm gonna change Kathleen because we are off na guys. We're gonna have brunch day. Dalhin ko kayo. Simple ano siya, Filipino resto. And I'm not gonna take my camera with me guys. Ang dalhin lang natin it's yung ating phone. And for my shoes, I'm just gonna wear my flat Adidas shoes. Then ko muna kayo kasi kunin ko lang yung ating jewelry. Necklace. 18K Saudi gold. My investment na napalwagan natin to guys. And this comes with, this is almost, I think 21 grams. Yata to o 22. Basta, hindi ko na maalala guys. But yung around, yung grams niya. So, share ko lang sa inyo sa mga gusto mag-investment. Message me and mag-usap tayo guys pag gusto mag-investment ng gold kasi I highly recommend ba pag sa mga mahilig mag-necklace or mahilig mag-invest. So this is the bracelet as well and this is 12 grams. And sahod ko din to sa palwagan. Sahod ko din, teka lang baka mahulog. Nahulog. Sahod ko din to mga bebe ko sa palwagan natin. Kay sisi ko. Dugot pawis ba? And then my earrings, I also have the earrings with this one. But I prefer wearing something different. Yung hook lang na may medium size. Ayan. And then my inspired Tiffany nail bangle. This one it's 7 point something grams. Sahod din natin to guys. It's also real 18K gold inspired by Tiffany. But it's a real gold, you know. Hindi sayang yung pera mo. Kasi the original one when you buy them in the shop, thousands talaga siya guys. Like 4,000, 6,000. Pero yung inspired ng mga Tiffany, this is a real 18K gold by Saudi Gold and investment ba. We're gonna use my watch that Scott was given to me as a gift for Mother's Day. I think this one Mother's Day. Last year o Christmas. Hindi ko na maalala. Ano? Anniversary. Wedding anniversary gift. And I really like it kasi it's very timeless siya. Versatile. Very small. It's very minimalist. Like, very little siya, guys. Ang liit-liit niya. Ang cute. And I like the facing. No? So, I love watches. But I don't have much watches. Kasi pinapasalubong na natin sa mga ate ko sa Pilipinas. But I got only few, I think. Maybe 3 lang yung watch natin dyan. MK, Fossil, and Seiko. 2 Seiko pala. Kasi isa kong Seiko, hindi ko na makasanay. I got MK. Ito meron pala tayong 5. So, this is the other one that Seiko that Scott was given to me in Macau. It was also, this one is a Mother's Day. Nung nasa Macau pa kami. So, tagal ko nang din nagagamit to. But I feel like this one kasi meron tayong, we are wearing white and gold ba. So, it's good. Alright, let's go. Let's go, guys. I'll get back to you or I'm gonna try to vlog. I'll take you there with me. Pakita ko yung puntahan namin. But this is how I look for my OOTD. Nagbe-belt tayo, guys. Kasi itong pants ko na to, nahuhulog siya. Nahuhulog tong pants na to. Kaya I need to wear belt so that my pants is not gonna fall. Kasi maluwag to, guys. But, yeah. How I look today. And I'm gonna get my coat. Nude coat, and that's all. So, see you later, guys. I'm gonna take Kathleen, get ready na din siya para maalis na rin kami, guys. Bye! Alright, guys. Kauwi namin kanina pa, and then nakapag-nap kami. My God, it's a long nap today, guys. Sarap ng tulog ko, and si Scott, But, nag-take away tayo ng bilo-bilo, guys. Nagsisisi ako sa bilo-bilo na to. Dapat ang in-order ko pala yung pinakamalaki na. Kinuha ko lang yung small. Kaya lang, ayoko kasi kumuha ng marami kasi baka hindi ko siya tawag doon, maubos ba, tas masira. Pero may ref naman. Pero tikman muna natin siya bago tayo next time pili ng mas marami. Sarap, guys. My God. It's so good. Bilo-bilo, guys. Kain. Ano bang English ng bilo-bilo? Sabi ko circle-circle kay Scott. Tinanong niya kasi kung anong pangalan nito. Tapos tinanong ko si Kuya. Hindi na maalam ko yung English nito. So, in English ko na lang yung pangalan, guys. Circle-circle dancing. Nalaloka sila sa akin kanina doon. But di ako nakapag-vlog kasi daming tao rin kanina nung pagkadating namin. Dapat pala dinamihan ko na. Mali naman. So good dessert. The best. May langka, meron siyang kamote, may isang saging, ube, saka may coconut. Yung coconut niya yung ganito, guys, o yung talagang real coconut. So good. So nag-meet time si Scott. Ano na, guys, 4:30. Nakauwi kami kayo ng mga 1:45. And then nakatulog kami 2 o'clock to 3. 2 hours yung tulog namin. So good. Sarap ito sa kape. Dapat pala dinamihan ko na, guys. Kasi hindi ako marunong magluto nito. Then, nag-order kami ng golden, nag-take away kami ng nilagang baka, golden blue, adobo, munggo, cheese bread, ensamada, and Spanish bread. Yun na yung binili namin this time. My God. Sarap. Dapat dinamihan ko na pala guys. Ayan, baon sa trabaho. Wala. Wala. Sa isip ko kanina, di ko naisipan na meron silang mga sizes, large, medium, and small eh. Medium yata itong na-order ko. Mano sinabi ko kay kuya. Pero next time, next weekend, sana may bilo-bilo sila. So good.